Welcome to TechSpot. BLK Slime coming back at y'all with another video. Today I'll be giving y'all my first look at the Oculus Quest 2. In this video I'll be showing you exactly what comes in the box, compare some of the specs of the OG Quest, and a first look inside of VR. I will be making more tech videos like this in the next coming weeks along with some giveaways, so make sure you subscribe to the channel and smash that notification bell so you don't miss any of our featured TechSpot content. Alright, so right off jump, I'm gonna just go straight onto the Oculus website and see what they got going on. Yeesh. Alright, props to Facebook on this website, it's pretty clean. So similar to the OG Quest, you're gonna have a no wire design, so you're not gonna be out here tripping on wires like I was on my PSVR. That's definitely clutch, and it's also got a blazing fast processor and next gen graphics. I can vouch for that. These graphics are definitely clean on most of these games I've tried right here. So first, let's just talk about this packaging. Yeesh. Tell me this ain't gonna catch your eye at Best Buy. I'm sure you already know this, but for those who have been living under a rock, Facebook does own Oculus, so you will be required to have a Facebook account to use the Oculus Quest and or Quest 2. So what's nice about the Quest 2 is it is completely standalone, so you do not require a PC at all to power it. You can download all the games directly from the Oculus and play them straight from the Oculus. Thanks to the Quest 2's inside-out tracking, it offers a true 6 degrees of freedom, letting you completely get immersed in these games. Moving around is ridiculous. So I did get the 256GB model for $399 plus tax. You can also get the 64GB model for $100 less. Inside the box you can expect the VR headset, 2 touch controllers, batteries, etc. Alright gang, without further ado, let's get right into this unboxing. Yes sir, out with the old and with the new. I gotta say, Oculus really got something going with this logo. It's just clean. Alright, let's crack this bad boy open. Guy, Oculus has really hit me with those Apple unboxing vibes right now. Of course, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and smash that notification bell so you can be notified for any new quality TechSpot content. So the first thing I see inside the box is the Oculus headset itself, which is this device right here, and if you can see these 4 cameras right here, these are the 4 cameras for tracking. And of course the very next thing inside the box you see is the glasses spacer, so if you do wear glasses, these are still going to be compatible with you. Just slide the spacer on the headset and then you can fit your glasses right in there. And then very next thing are these beautiful Oculus Quest controllers. I gotta say, this is a huge upgrade from the PSVR motion joysticks, which just have that little ball on there, no joystick on it. This joystick is gonna be a whole different experience for gaming, no cap. And they just fit perfectly in the hand, might I add. Man, so clean. Man, these joysticks are gonna be clutch. Y'all don't even know. Man, if you still have a wired headset, wired VR, it's about time to upgrade. There's no time to be dealing with these wires when you're lost in VR, punching walls and stuck in cords, like come on now. So the final thing you're gonna get with the Oculus is gonna be this little package right here. Alright, first just let me clean up real fast. Alright, so the first thing you see on the box is gonna be the Oculus Quest logo, of course. If we go ahead and flip this box over and take a look inside, we do get some paperwork, of course, with the Oculus logo again, as well as a 10-watt power brick and a Type-C to Type-C cable. If you go ahead and take a look at the paperwork, you can expect to find a quick start guide for the Oculus, as well as the warranty information. And that's pretty much everything you can expect to find with your Oculus Quest 2. Alright, so I'm gonna just go ahead and finish this up so I can just hop right into VR. So we do get a warning sign from Oculus to keep the lenses away from sunlight, as well as do not use any glasses cleaner on these lenses. So these controllers do come with batteries included, but you will have to put some elbow grease to pull this little tab out. For me, third tries the charm. Hopefully better luck with this one. Yep. Make sure you put some elbow grease, but batteries do come included, which is always a plus. So this right here is the first thing you see when you enter VR. I'm gonna just go ahead and start this game up real fast. Yeah. Yes, sir. It's actually fire. Like, y'all really gotta try to like believe it. It really feels like you're in here. Like, we give it a couple swings. Like, bro, it really feels like I'm in here. I'm about to start the game real fast in multiplayer, so be ready. It's gonna be a little loud.
I'm throwing down speed.
Yeah, give me some of that. Good looking. Yeah, that speed. Oh, come here. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Crap, I'm pretty